Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide tutorial on how to change the language in DuckduckGo application on Android device. Well, knowing how to change the language in the DuckduckGo application allows you to customize your browsing experience to a language you are more comfortable. This can improve readability and comprehension, making your search result and browsing experience more enjoyable and effective. So let's go to the tutorial. Okay, firstly, open DuckduckGo application. Okay, so here you can open any website you want. And then look for this icon. So tap on it. Okay, and then select all settings here. Well, so in this page, click the down arrow under the display language option. Okay, after that, select the language you are looking for. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to change the language in DuckduckGo application on Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.